guys, good to have you back for another video of Search Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you if you can get rid of this blinking flat tire indicator and the yellow one over here of an Audi 2012. This is an A3. After having a flat tire you need to get this sorted out by resetting it, and this is how you can do it. There is a thumbstick on the right and there is a button over here. You can press that button a few times to find the menu over here. Then to scroll by the menu you need to press this button, go to set, press the button under to enter it, tire pressure, enter it, store now, press the button, store now, confirm, storing, and you'll see that this indicator and the flat tire indicator, the red one in the middle, has disappeared. So press this to enter the menu, go to set and go to tire pressure. That was it. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.